How to measure a product. We have already learned that a product is a single file container that defines how to perform the measurement and how to evaluate the resulting spectrum. Like in the previous video, we will use the product measurement home screen. Start by clicking on the product measurement icon. Now you can see the individual product groups with the products that belong to these groups. Click on the clock icon to view a list of the recently used products. Type into the search field the search for a certain product within the current group. The tiles icon in the upper left corner will show the products in a list form, which is more convenient when you have a huge number of products. Another way to deal with many products is to highlight favorites. Just click on the star icon in order to move a product or a product group to a more prominent position at the beginning of the list. To measure a product, simply click on the product icon. Make sure that the ATR crystal is clean and start the background measurement. A new background is required each time you switch to another product. During the background measurement, you can type in the sample information. When the background measurement is finished, you can place the sample and then press Measure Sample. You will see the evaluation results immediately after the sample measurement. The large icon on the left shows the overall result. In our case, we have a chili which is slightly too hot, so we only get a yellow check mark. To see additional information about the results, you can click on the magnifying glass icons. You can also view the spectrum itself. Finally, you can generate a report by clicking on Print Report, and you can press Next Sample in order to measure the next sample. Depending on the preview, you can reuse the existing background or measure a new background. Now you know how to measure a product.